Welcome back to the channel. Want to play pickleball like the pros? Or just play better than you are right now? These 5 habits will keep you fit, fast, and ready for action. Let's dive right in. First up, you need to develop the habit of doing a dynamic warm-up. Before you hit the court, get those muscles ready with some simple movements. Dynamic movements like leg swings, skips, and drop squats can make all the difference on the court. They prep your body to play, boost your energy, and help to avoid injuries. Trust me, it's worth those extra 5 minutes. Next, you will want to start building up your foundational strength. Building strength and lateral power is crucial if you want to play better. Incorporate body weight or light resistance exercises into your daily active habits are a must. Even doing simple and basic movements such as banded exercises, hip thrusts, push-ups, and even some core work will make you move better on the court. The stronger you are, the more explosive and agile you'll be on the court. Number 3, build the habit of learning how to recover after play. After a pickup match or high-level gameplay, your body needs some TLC. Foam rolling is a fantastic way to help reduce muscle soreness and help aid in recovery. And don't forget to hydrate as well. Nutrition before and after is also essential here. Drinking plenty of water helps you recover faster and keeps you ready for the next game. Recovery isn't just about rest. It's about actively helping your body bounce back, both physically and nutritionally. Now let's talk about the 4th habit, incorporating agility drills. Quick footwork is a game changer in pickleball. Incorporate drills like fast feet and lateral movements into your training are massively important. These exercises improve your speed and coordination, making you light on your feet and ready to react to any shot, especially when you are battling up at the kitchen. And finally, the 5th habit you must have is practicing breathing and reducing stress. Your mental game is just as important as your physical one. In pickleball and in life, breathing and understanding how you play under stress can really help your on-court play. Spend a few minutes between points or sets to breathe, calm your nerves, and collect yourself. This one habit can really help refocus your strategy and keep you on your game. A strong mindset turns a good player into a great one. Adopt these habits, and you'll not only play better, but feel and move better too. Stay fit, stay focused, and I'll see you on the court. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more pickleball training tips.